Want to buy a biomass pellet machine? Be sure to look at the processing strength of the manufacturer. Yulong implements the conversion of old and new kinetic energy to improve processing accuracy and production efficiency. The investment of $11 million is used to purchase international advanced processing equipment. Today, we welcome a new General Doosan machine tool center in South Korea to provide customers with faster and more advanced processing equipment. Many boutique equipment. Yulong XGJ 560 biomass pellet mill has a power of 132 kilowatts and an hourly output of 1.52 tons. Yulong XGJ 850 biomass pellet mill, with a power of 250 kilowatts, can produce 3-4 tons per hour. Tyrannosaurus snatcher. High-efficiency grinder, crushing and crushing machine. Yulong has served tens of thousands of customers for 24 years and is committed to creating maximum value for customers.